Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can fix fail to follow on Bigo Live. So just to do that, go ahead and open our Bigo Live application. So once you are on the application, the user face will appear like this. And for instance, let's say we want to follow or add someone. So here, let's say I'd like to follow this guy. Click on follow in order to follow, and let's say it is followed, like I have followed this guy, but sometimes it is failed to follow on Bigo Live. So what you can do to fix it is go back, and what you simply can do is update the Bigo app from the App Store or Play Store, whatever phone do you have, or we can just delete the Bigo app and just reinstall it again. So this is the only working method. This is the only way to fix fail to follow on Bigo Live. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.